What's up, Rad Squad? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just gonna be showing you guys real quick how to deactivate and activate the remote start on your 2.0 Sports and Tourings, also the EXLs. This doesn't work on 1.5 Sports or the LX because the car doesn't have remote start from pretty much you don't get programmed remote from factory, but the car does have remote start, but this option is not available though. But anyways, so just go to settings and then go to vehicle and go to keyless access setup, and then you see this option right here that says remote start system on off. Click on it. Then if you click off and you save it, then I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna turn the car off. I'm gonna take the keys with me. And then to start the car using the remote start, pretty much all you gotta do is just press so you pretty much just press lock twice and then hold this little circular thing right there. See, the car is not starting because I just turned off the remote start system. So pretty much you got to go back in there and turn it back on. So I'm gonna do that. Keyless entry. Alright, so hit settings again, go to vehicle, scroll down to keyless access setup, remote start, then click on. When you click on, you hit save. Now it says has been saved. Go ahead and turn the car off. Let me go back outside. Now, if I initiate the remote start sequence again by clicking lock twice, then holding the remote start button, there we go, the car remote starts itself. So for example, you have kids, or you're leaving your car with somebody and you probably just don't want them using a remote start feature. That's how you deactivate it, and that's how you activate it. So that just a quick little how-to, not really anything special, but that's how you do it. And also stop it. So I've seen a lot of you guys in the comments that were saying that you didn't know your car has remote start. So yes, it does. So for all the other 2.0T Sports and the Tourings, also the EXLs, they come with remote start from the factory. Pretty much all their cars come with remote start, honestly. But only the EXLs, 2.0 Sports, and Tourings actually has a fob from a factory that has a remote start button or option programmed onto it. So when I had my 1.5 Sport, which was a silver one before this, I was wondering, why the car didn't have remote start. All I did was I bought this key fob right here, and I just went to a locksmith and they programmed it. It was like 40 bucks of this key fob right here. I bought it from Amazon, and about 80 bucks at a locksmith, and they programmed it to the car, and then it actually worked. Obviously this key fob won't work on this car because it's not programmed to it, but I guarantee you, if you buy a key fob and you program it to your 1.5 Sport, special edition or whatever it is, it will have remote start. Alright guys, here's a little clip I found of my 1.5 Sport, and this is the same key fob that I had. I just didn't sell with the car, but here's remote start working on it. That's one easy way, you guys could actually have remote start on the 1.5. So if you want to get remote start on your 1.5 Sport, then like I said, just go ahead and and buy a key fob and just have it programmed to the car, and the remote start will pretty much work. So that's it for the video, guys. Appreciate y'all for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and share the videos. And if you've been subscribed already, appreciate y'all. See you in the next one. Peace.